Hello everybody, my name is Luke Wilson and the purpose of this video is to teach people how to juggle and specifically the members of my English 2210 class at UNM, but I believe that this video would be helpful for anyone looking to learn how to juggle. So introduction and background. For me personally, my uncle taught me how to juggle when I was in elementary school, and it's something that I was really interested in, so it was really easy for me to kind of learn and progress just because I was so interested in it. I used to compete in my school talent shows in elementary school, which was always super exciting. And then just a little background on the art of juggling. It does have roots with the ancient Egyptians around the year 2000 BC. So they did find drawings and pictures of humans drawing, so that implies that juggling has been around for a long time. Materials needed and conditions required. The only thing you really need is a pair of juggling balls. You can get specifically balls that are made like specifically for juggling, but really anything will work, like tennis balls, lacrosse balls, anything that you feel comfortable with. And then some other helpful recommendations include a high ceiling or to practice outside. This can be really helpful at the beginning, especially when you may need to throw the balls a little higher just to get comfortable. Another helpful tip would be to practice in front of a couch. This can limit the amount of times you have to bend over and pick up the balls, and this is really helpful when you're first learning how to juggle. And then lastly, I would also recommend practicing in short sessions. I recommend 10 to 15 minutes, but I just wouldn't go over anything that a time limit that makes you feel overwhelmed or gets you stressed, because it is supposed to be fun. So I recommend practicing in short spurts of time. So step one, start small. We're going to start with one ball, and you're just getting comfortable throwing it back and forth from hand to hand. Feet should be roughly shoulder width apart, and try starting with both your dominant and non-dominant hands. Try to throw the ball just above head height or a little higher. Step two, we're going to move on to two balls. So same as step one, keep the same posture, keep your feet shoulder width apart, and think to yourself, throw, throw, catch, catch. And just so you're aware, there is a slight second where both balls are in the air at the same time. Step three, three ball flash. So a three ball flash consists of 3 throws and 3 catches. Try starting with both your dominant and non-dominant hand again, and add height to throws if needed. This can give you a little more time. Step 4, slowly add more throws. So once you've mastered the 3 ball flash, you want to start slowly adding more throws. So this could be even 6, 10, 15, 20. Just slowly build and progress. Step 5, 3 ball cascade. So a 3 ball cascade is considered juggling. Juggling 3 balls for an extended period of time. From experience, just teaching people how to juggle, I have found that most people achieve this much faster than they think is possible. And it's really helpful because it can help you improve reaction time and coordination. Potential issues and suggestions. So the learning curve can be steep and cause frustration. So just keep that in mind, that especially if you're learning from someone that can already juggle, it can be a little frustrating watching someone do it and then not being able to do it. So if it is something you like to do, I would just recommend sticking with it and just practice in short increments of time. Practice over a table or a couch, also what I recommended earlier, and this just limits the amount of time you have to bend over. And then something I did as a kid that really inspired me to learn new stuff was just watching juggling videos on YouTube. Lastly, I just wanted to include this just in case anyone really enjoys juggling and wants to take it a step further. There are really countless tricks you can do, and if juggling is something that you're interested in having fun with, that's really the funnest part, is learning new tricks. So it can be very satisfying to learn a new trick, and like especially when I was a kid, I would always go show my family and friends as soon as I learned a new trick. So I hope this video was helpful, And if you're interested in juggling, I hope you were able to take at least something away from this. So thank you.